What's up guys, it's one Blazing One today and welcome to 2015, the first stunt we're going to do and revisit a good oldie, the bird spike challenge. Now I redid this a couple of years ago, but this time we're going to do a handstand on these bird spikes. Do you get the point? So without further ado, let's begin this challenge. So let's strip off. Final day of wearing the old 2014 t-shirt, new ones are on their way. I'm seriously dreading this. Oh my god, I missed! How did I miss? Oh! 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 Oh yeah, she did get me good. Hey guys, thanks for watching my video. I'm going to give that pain ranking, it's been new this year. I'm going to give it a grade B, but what did you guys suggest? What grade you reckon below? And also put your comments, dares, challenges below, and I'll pick them up and see what's going on. Anyways guys, as always, please press a like to show your support. I spent a lot on those bird spikes getting in me, and I see you guys next year? What is this year? And I see you guys around. I've been One Blazing One. We upload Mondays and Fridays, and I'll see you guys around. One Blazing One, signing out.